morning everyone. I am Moni. Today my topic about operating system and its function. So let's start. Operating system is system software that provide interface for user to communicate with computer. In other words, we can also say that operating system is a master command program. There are various types of function of operating system. So we discuss on 5 types of its function. First one is process management. It manages the process of a computer system. A process is basically a program that is currently run by the user on the computer system. Second one is memory management. It manages the memory. There are various types of memory such as secondary memory, primary memory, RAM, like compact discs and hard disks. Third one is device management. Operating system manages the peripheral devices such as peripheral. It means that external devices of computer system like input and output devices. Example: keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, and so on. And fourth is file management. It manages the file and data. A file can also define all the collection stored in a memory of a computer system. And last one is security management. It is very important for operating system because it secure our computer from hacking and virus attack. Thank you.